Hello everyone, this is Michael from Geopogo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Geopogo to customize your own Petite home. Let's get started. When you open Geopogo for the first time, you're given this welcome menu that gives you multiple options. The first one is you can click Join Meeting, which means that somebody else has created their own tiny home model and they've imported it online. You can create new, which will let you open the Petite home model. You can import model, which will let you import models from Autodesk and other sources, and then of course you can view controls. So let's create new. We're going to go to Menu, Open, and we're going to open the file Geopogo Modern 2, and this of course you downloaded from the Petite Homes website. And we're going to click Open. Okay, so here's how you navigate in Geopogo. Using your mouse, hold down the middle mouse button and move the mouse around. And you'll notice I start to orbit around the model. Now to explore, I can click the arrow keys or the AWS keys on your keyboard. So when I hit W, I move up, S, I move down, A to the right, and D to the left. We're going to hit OK. Alright, so here is our Petite Homes model. And we're going to get started with the controls. So right now we're in orbit mode. Here's free camera mode. Click and hold down your middle mouse button and use W to start moving around and exploring up to your model. So here's it all nice and dressed up. I'm going to adjust the time of day. I'm going to bring it back to bright. And let's get started customizing this tiny home. So here we have materials. And I'm going to click on wood. And I'm going to start adjusting. And you see what happens here. We go with nice white, blue, white, a little bit rustic, wood, dark, and red. Okay, we can do this for pretty much everything. Now, in my case, I like the black. But we can do the same thing with the roof. So we can do some nice red. And we can go through and really start to adjust this. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. Keep it like that. And then of course we can even adjust this here. So I'm going to click on wood. Let's see what we can create here. Nice brown wood. And we can go inside and I can change the flooring. I can even make it a little bit darker. There's actually one I really like. Here it is. This one's really nice. Now we can then click on the walls and I can go from this nice blue and I can make everything white. Maybe I'll make the kitchen. Yeah, let's do the kitchen accent. And here's the kitchen. And I can go in and I can adjust it. Let's pick this one. Oh, there we go. That looks good. Okay. And I can click on stone and I can start to adjust that counter. Alright, let's see here. What's a good one? So you'll see there's a lot here we can do. There's actually one I really like. I think this looks good. I think we can pick this one. And I can also go through. And let's just, there we go, make those nice and black. There's our fridge. Give that a nice finish. Here's our bathroom. I'm just going to make that a little bit darker. Let's see here. That's like a matte finish. There's our toilet. And there's our tub. I can even get into like really fine details. There, yeah, some nice, really fine details. I can pretty much customize almost everything. There we go. Let's make this shower curtain here a little bit nicer. Okay, now we're going through. I'm going to make this nice and black. Now I'm going to hit objects, lights. I'm just going to put like a little lamp inside of there. I'm going to go into decorations. Actually, not that one. But I'm going to put like a little candle in there. There's a whole bunch of pictures. I'm going to put some little plants inside of there. Little boombox radio. Just grab a few more things. I'm going to transform this one. I'm going to go to scale. I'm just going to bring this down just a little bit. And you can do that for all objects, of course. I can make this one much smaller too. I hit scale, click on this. Just going to make that a little bit smaller. Okay. Now I'm going to go into lighting here. Just going to do a nice little floor lamp. And I'm going to adjust the pattern on here. Perfect. And let's just go ahead and give this a different finish. Aha, there we go. I'm gonna make this black. Perfect. I can even go into decor. And I think there's one. Yeah, I get like a little. Actually, let's put this book over here. There we go. I'll put a little magazine out on here. There we go. The issue of Home Sweet Homes. Okay. And then we go upstairs into here. And let's just move some little bit of things here down. Add that one. Put that one there. Of course, we got some tables. I got different appliances we can put in, decor, layouts, got some kitchen, some rugs. I'm gonna put a little rug in here. I'm just gonna click on this to transform it. There we go. Perfect. Got window treatments and you got storage as well. Let's see here. I'm gonna put just in the corner here. Just gonna put this here. There we go. Get some good lighting involved. Okay. So now you'll notice if I click on background time of day. Oh yeah, we make that nice and nighttime. Can go through the entire design. Everything's very well lit. Now I'm just gonna adjust this back to daytime. I'm gonna go into landscaping here. I'm just gonna grab a few trees. And again, these are pretty large trees. I'll make that one a little bit shorter. There we go. I think we got some bushes. Ah, there we go. Let's kind of dress this up here. Perfect. And there's a lot of different landscaping elements here, from like fences. I can like kind of fence this in. There we go. And I can go through. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put this tree here. Kind of start to like close. There we go. Close this in. Haha. Now we got some pretty good stuff. Okay. And back in lighting. Got a few more minutes. Lighting. I'm just going to put these in here. Okay, now watch this. I'm going to go to background. Adjust it to nighttime. I'm going to change all this around here. There's a moon. I'm just looking for the moon. There it is. Beauty. There's the moon. I'm going to hit F2 or F3. Do my screenshot, do my first person, I'm hitting shift to go really fast. So I can run back up to here. Oh, and there we go. There's my tiny house. I can go inside. I can explore around. See everything I created. I can go through the entire model. And I can take screenshots as I go. So I can show either my designer or my contractor, everything that I want, I've created. Yeah, this is great. Okay, now the last thing I'm going to show you guys is that when we're complete, we can share our designs online. So I'm going to click go online, and I can host presentations, which means that I can go on multiplayer, and anybody who has Geopogo installed can join each other's sessions. So I can host my design online. I sign in, and then or create an account, and in my case I just put my name in, and I click host meeting. And so what that means, it's going to upload online, and anybody who has Geopogo installed, you can give them join code, and that can be friends or family, or your contractor or even designer, and you can do a virtual multiplayer session together. You can explore the model together, talk to each other, talk about specific design elements, and it'll upload in just a short few moments. So in this case, your room code is 779007. It's different for every session you host, and you just give that code to somebody, and they join the Geopogo session. So with that said, I thank you guys. I hope you enjoy, and we'll have many more models for you in the future. Okay, everyone, take care.